I provide instructions for that on the page, but I also provide your course information for things to help you prepare for the sports.
Why are you in my house?
No.
What are you working on now?
The stairs.
The stairs. Oh my god.
Sometimes get a little tricky in the way that they and also how they provide their answer choices. So read this in advance of taking my exams. It'll help you be prepared on how to properly answer the questions. I give you information on how your course grade is calculated. My courses are graded based on points.
The board tools. Oh my god, it's nails. Oh my god, you took out the freaking stair. You took it out! Nobody can go up the stairs now.
The other side.
This is what you've been doing? The fuck? Who told you to take it out?
The HOL.
The HOA. What was wrong with the old one?
The water.
The
damage
water
the wood.
leakage. Oh.
Make everybody happy before Christmas.
Oh, the people who lives upstairs?
Mm-hmm.
But they can't go up here now.
No, they can go for the other side.
You took out the freaking stairs. That's pretty funny. You took out the stairs. Can't believe this.